In this video, we'll be exploring a new important element which is commonly used in Signavio, the timer event. These are used within your process models to cause an artificial delay between two steps. It is unrealistic to believe that processes within a real-life business scenarios always occur within a small set time frame. These events allow a pause time within the process. Strict timing is often critical for the success of a process and acts as a reminder to the persons involved to complete further actions. So the process flow will reach the timer event and be held there until the allocated time has elapsed before they can move on to the rest of the process. In this example, a HR specialist requests a signature of the contract. As per the timer event, they should now wait 1 week to perform any further actions. After waiting for this period of time, they can assess the situation and they can either send a reminder or continue with the onboarding based on if the signature has been received. It is important to mention that this element is not required between two process steps where there will be a logical delay time. Now we can go back to Signavio and see how we can work with timer events. Let's say we have our process model ready and now want to add the time pauses within the process. Based on the example before, we want to add a time delay after the first activity. So we will then search for the intermediate timer event element from our elements list and place it after the task. Another way to do this is to select the previous task and find the element from the shortcuts menu. Now we need to label the timer event with the appropriate time frame. So we have just created an intermediate timer event. However, it is also possible to create a start timer event, which can show that the trigger for the process is periodical. For example, this process will start quarterly, monthly, or yearly. So we can replace the generic start event with the start timer event element and label it accordingly. And this is how you can use timer events.